Once you have finished building the interface on your model and you want to share it with others, you can publish it to the isee Exchange. To do this, on the interface window in Stella Architect, select File, then Publish. It will prompt you to sign in to your isee Exchange account. If you do not have an isee Exchange account, you can always create one. It will then bring you to a page where you can add your work. You can see on top there are 3 different tabs: Update Existing, Create New, and Create Paid. Update Existing is when a model or sim app is already published and all you want to do is update the interface. Create New, what we'll be doing right now, will create a brand new sim app that your interface will be published underneath. And Create Paid is when you want to host the model privately for only a select few to view. You can then enter the name and a description and topic areas for your new sim app. You can choose to agree to the Creative Commons license as well. Once you've selected this, you can create your sim app. It will then ask you to upload your interface. Once it's successfully uploaded, it will immediately bring you into your published interface. And you can start and run through it as you wish.